for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid offers a spacious interior, an abundance of technology, and safety features galore. When pairing all of this with a dynamic exterior, it's not surprising that everyone is talking about this vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, power driver's seat. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.